Hello there.
Hi.
So, we're going to try. We got a hot sauce pack from Uncle Ben for Christmas. We got hot ones. We got three different kinds. So,
Christmas present.
we're going to try out.
Let me
regular?
smell. Let's do this way. Oh, did someone get on
Alright, first one.
Cool.
Just a regular classic.
trying-
Oh, it burns my fingers. Ow.
that? Okay.
What
I don't
the? Alright, step one. Alright, ready to go?
Smells weird.
Smells like peppers and vinegar.
Looks hot.
Ready? Cheers.
Good.
Good
How about
stuff.
you?
A little spicy.
Good there.
A little spicy. So, number two
Or
is a
two.
classic hot buffalo.
The last one's the hottest. I'm prepared for it. Like, I know I love hot stuff, but like I think that right there may be my worst nightmare.
Come on. Where's it come?
It's taking years. Like, no offense, but this is taking ages.
Ooh,
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah. that is. Those are strong.
Just gonna take a quick drink. Okay.
Ready? Let's do it. Cheers.
Good.
Real vinegary. Ooh. That was spicier than the first one.
This is gonna affect my lip a lot because there's a bunch of cut open parts on my lip. That I know this last one, my lips are just gonna freaking die instantly.
And of course, the one everyone's waiting for 91% Pepper X.
Oh,
The last dab experience.
this is gonna be my nightmare.
Just put a little tiny.
Tonight, I mean it's nighttime right now, and I'm gonna go to bed instantly, and I'm gonna have a nightmare about this sauce getting near my nose and my mouth. Oh
Little
yes.
dab.
Okay.
Oh, I put a little
It looks like a nightmare, so I'm.
little dab for a little bit.
I mean, I guess so. I mean, I am 8, so I mean, I don't see the problem.
All right. This is stupid.
Go. This is good.
It's really good and really sweet.
You sure about that? I find it really sweet.
Oh God!
I find it very sweet.
It is sweet, but oh my God! Oh God! Oh God!
Let's hope this gets a lot of subscribes and some views.
Oh! Oh, it's stupid hot. Oh, it hurts. Oh! Oh my God! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh!
All
Is it too
right.
hot for you?
Yeah.
So we
Oh.
end the video.
I'm about to die from not heat, but you laughing.
Oh.
Hello, Mr. Look Like a Duck from this angle.
Oh, it burned. Okay. No. Cut. I'm done.
And done.